Welcome. In front of me I have MEIZU M6T, and today I will show you how we can add the account to Google Play Store. So we have to open the Play Store, and next we have to tap on the right upper corner, then click to add another account. And right now we have to input our protection code. Click here and input your new mail. Then click next and you have to input your password. So I'm going to do this right now. And when you input your password, you have to click next, then accept these terms of the service from the Google. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are able to use another account on the Play Store. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.